Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon ngayon ang post ng isang abogadong general na kumu-question o binabatikos ang mga pahayag ng Quadcom, specifically yung mga pahayag ni Congressman Akop. Okay, itong post ng retired general na ito, na abogado, ipinasa sa akin ng isa ring retired general na kaibigan ko. Ito yung message ng kaibigan kong retired general. Hi, Johnny. I-share ko sa iyo si Brigadier General Virgilio Garcia, Judge Advocate General Service Armed Forces of the Philippines, retired. Of his Facebook post he shared to Association of General and Flag Officers. This is posted on my FB wall. So, itong pahayag ng retired general na ito na abogado, pinag-uusapan na ng mga members ng Association of General and Flag Officers. Marami sila ito. Whole Armed Forces, mga retired, I think mga sobre 1,000. Okay, so ito na yung basahin ko yung opinion ni Brigadier General Virgilio Garcia. Ulitin ko abogado, Judge Advocate General Service. Sabi niya, according to Congressman Akop, the Quadcom hearings uncovered Duterte's link to grand criminal enterprise. I quote a portion of his report. Let us now, ito na yung word ni Congressman Akop. Let us not forget that countless lives were lost in the war on drugs. 30,000 according to data. We have heard from the families of the victims of this campaign, many of whom, according to former President Duterte, were considered collateral damage. With all due respect to you, Congressman Akop, first, ito, may mga points siya, mga 6 o 7 points niya. First, mambabatas ka pero maliwanag na wala kang alam sa batas. Your actions illustrate. Ito ang mabigat. Mambabatas ka pero wala kang alam sa batas. Your actions illustrate. Grabe. Kilala ko pala itong si Brigadier General Virgilio Garcia. Nagsama kami sa Camp Aguinaldo mga 2 years. 2014 to 2015. Bago ako nag-retire, nakadao pang palad kito. Nagkasama kami sa trabaho. Marunong, magaling na general, marunong na abogado. Okay. Sabi ano kayang pag mabasa kaya ni Congressman General Attorney Akop, abogado rin. Itong comment ng kapwa niya general na abogado. First, mambabatas ka pero maliwanag na wala kang alam sa batas. Your actions illustrate. Okay, second. You say 30,000 lives were lost during the war on drugs. You say according to data. Let me ask you, Honorable Sir. Of course, nagsisir dahil mas senior itong si Akop Class 70. Tama ba ako? Senior si Akop. Let me ask you, Honorable Sir, which data are you referring to? Are these verified data? Ang data po ng PNP sa war on drugs, if I'm not mistaken, mga 6,000 to 7,000 lang ang napaslang. So, saan galing itong 30,000? Kaya nga, maganda itong tanong, na-verify ba itong report? O galing lang sa mga human rights group? Yung Amnesty International na sumisira kay Pangulong Duterte. Ayan. Third, if they are yung data, then why don't you take the cudgels and initiate criminal complaints against former President Duterte? O nga naman, Hanggang ngayon, wala pa namang kaso na ipapile laban kay PRRD. Fourth, have you ever heard of the words due process in our democratic institution? President Duterte is entitled to due process too. You know. Yun. The right to be heard and the right to present evidence in his behalf, sir. Kaya Honorable Congressman Acop, sir, kung may ebidensya ka tulad ng inilalahad mo, idemanda mo na siya, Honorable Sir, para makulong si President Digong. Very clear, di ba? Fifth, your hearings in the Quadcom were clearly a fishing expedition kasi you claim you uncovered evidence against President Duterte in the course of your hearings. Let us see, ito maganda, abogado talo. Let us see if the evidence that you claim you discovered can stand in court. Okay, bago ko ituloy. Ano yung mga ebidensya nila? Ano yung mga, sino-sino yung mga testigo nila? Halos lahat convicted mga tao na involved sa kalakaran ng illegal na gamot. Mark Taguba, Jimmy Guban. Yan, convicted, nakakulong ngayon. Yung Colonel Asierto na na-dismiss sa serbisyo, nagtatago dahil may warrant of arrest. Yun, yung mga ex-Senator De Lima. Ay, nako. Puro kayo publicity. It's time for action, Honorable Sir. 6. You claim you have heard from families of victims referring to the drug addicts and drug pushers who were neutralized during the campaign. My question to you, Honorable Sir, is this. Did you also hear from the families of the victims of the drug addicts? Then, 3 question mark. Hindi ka one-sided niyan, sir, ha? Meron ba silang inimbita sa Quadcom na mga families ng nabiktima ng mga drug addicts? Wala akong matandaanan eh. Kaya tanong, one-sided yata kayo. 7. You say 30,000 drug addicts and drug pushers were lost during the war on drugs. Sir, did you also take count of how many innocent lives were taken by the drug addicts and drug pushers that you are advocating for? How many, sir? Do you have a figure? Do you at least have an idea how many, sir? Ay, mas marami ang mga biktima ng mga drug addicts, drug pushers. 8. It might not have occurred to you na natutuwa ang mga drug lords sa union, sir. Gets mo, sir? Pag sila, gets mo, sir? Sir, kailang, puno ng emosyon na yon. May galit. Gets mo, sir? And lastly, Honorable Sir, your Quadcom hearings were all held with grave abuse of discretion and the exercise of your contempt power were without and or in excess of jurisdiction. Tama po yung police major na dinala kayo sa Korte Suprema to question your whims and caprice. Meron pa kayong ganang magalit sa kanya for exercising his rights. Yun po. Sana mabasa ito ni Congressman Acop at magbigay siya ng reaksyon. Kasi itong si General Bato, continuous ang palitan nila ng salita or comments. Hindi nagpapaawat itong si next topic ko na lang, itong ongoing world war between Congressman Acop and General Bato. So, salamat sir, General Garcia, itong post nyo na ito. Mga kaibigan, anong comment nyo dito sa mga points? 8 points na iniraise, tinanong ni General Virgilio Garcia kay Congressman Acop. Agree ba kayo sa mga sinabi niya? So, salamat sa inyong panonood. Next video tayo ulit.